Okay, in chapter 7, we are going to learn about inequality. Inequality. In chapter 6, all the equations we saw are equal sign. For example, 2x is 4, okay? It's equality. But in chapter 7, we are going to learn more about inequality. Inequality means the negative side of equality. There are only 4 signs for inequality. It's greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay, you can check your textbooks for more detail. And I'm going to give you an example very quickly. Okay. For example, 13 is greater than x plus 3. Since we need to find out the range of x, right? We need to find out a range of x. So we need to move all the numbers besides x to the other side. It's very similar to chapter 6. What should we do? Suppose it's a positive 3 here. Move to the other side will become negative. So it's 13 minus 3, okay? Because it's positive here. So when we move to the other side, it becomes negative, okay? It's larger than x. 10 is greater than x. And please remember, we usually put the variable on the left hand side. So x is smaller than 10, okay? You can write this one or like this one, but in mathematics, we always put the variable on the left hand side. And we usually like to draw a number line. Okay, a number line to indicate the range of x. Okay, here's the original point 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 is right here. Because x is smaller than 10, so we find out 10 and here x is smaller, less than or smaller than, so the range should be on the left hand side. And so we draw the line here. And remember, the key here is that since x is less than 10, okay, we don't have an equal sign here, right? You can't see any equal sign here. So when it's not included, we usually use a hollow point. Okay, hollow point. So this is the key. It's a hollow point. What if, okay, suppose it's x less than or equal to 10. When we see equal sign here, then we know 10 is included, right? Suppose 10 is included, then we should use a solid endpoint. Okay, see more example. Check for this problem. X plus 11 is greater than or equal to 20. This sign is called greater than or equal to. Okay, it's almost the same thing. There's no new things. We need to find our range of x, so we need to move all the other numbers 11 to the other side. Move here. Okay, so x is greater than or equal to 20 minus 11. Okay, minus 11. Why? Because it's a positive. It's plus 11. Move to the other side, we change the sign, so it becomes minus 11. Okay, so x is greater than or equal to 20 minus 11 is 10. Again, we want to draw the solution set on a number line. So we draw a number 9. It's greater than or equal to 9. Okay, so suppose it's a region point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is here. Because we have an equal sign right here, right? We have an equal sign here. So we can say 9 is included. X can be anything. X can be 9, can be 10, can be 11. X can be 9. Okay, so it's included. Suppose it's included, we should draw a solid endpoint. Okay, solid endpoint. And that can be 9, 10, 11, can be any number right here, 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 or here. So we should draw a line on the right hand side of the endpoint. Okay, actually there's nothing new in this section. Again, so we change to a more complex problem. Actually, all things are almost the same. 17. Negative 10.6 is greater than or equal to x minus 7. Again, the same. We want to find out the solution set. What is, sorry, I should explain this. What is the solution set in the beginning? Okay, solution set means there are not just one solution. Okay, for example, suppose x is greater than 1. How many solutions we have? The answer is infinite. X can be 1.1, 1.2, can be 2, can be 100, can be 1 million, can be 1.553. It can be a group of numbers. So in this condition, we cannot find exactly one answer. We can find a group of answers. So in this condition, we call it a solution set. Okay, it's a set. It's a group. It's a set. Okay, so it's the same thing here. Okay, we go back to our topic. Sorry, change to new page. Okay, negative 10.6 is greater than or equal to x minus 7. Again, what do we want to find out? The solution set of x. So we should move the negative 7 to the other side. It becomes positive 7. So negative 10.6 plus 7 is greater than or equal to x. So x is smaller than or equal to negative 3.6. X is smaller than or equal to negative 3.6. Just what I taught before, we usually put the variable on the left hand side. Okay, again, draw the number line. Okay, it's 0, negative 1, okay, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 4. Since there is an equal sign here, so we should draw a solid endpoint. The solid endpoint should be here in the middle of negative 3 and negative 4, right? Okay, since it's smaller than, okay, did you see the sign here? Smaller than is equal to negative 33.6. It's less than or equal to, so less than, we draw a line on the left hand side of the endpoint. Okay, this segment means less than. This endpoint means equal to. Okay, this point is negative 3.6. So the whole thing means smaller than or equal to negative 3.6. That's it. I hope all of you can understand. If you still have any question, you can leave comments below.